been waking up with stiff joints, aching muscles, or unexplained body pain? Maybe your knees, shoulders, or back feel sore, even without doing anything unusual. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Joint pain during menopause is more common than most people realize, and it can affect your daily life in ways you didn't expect. But here's something important to understand. This pain is not just a sign of aging. It's closely linked to hormonal changes happening in your body. In this video, we'll explore why menopause causes joint and body pain, and more importantly, what you can do to reduce it and feel more comfortable in your body again. Let's start with what's happening inside your body. During menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly. And while estrogen is often associated with reproductive health, it also plays a key role in reducing inflammation and maintaining joint health. When estrogen levels decrease, inflammation in the body can increase. This can lead to stiffness, swelling, and pain in your joints. Estrogen also helps maintain the health of cartilage, the tissue that cushions your joints. As estrogen declines, this protective cushioning can weaken, making joints feel more painful and less flexible. Another major factor is bone health. During menopause, bone density begins to decrease, which can increase the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Weaker bones can contribute to discomfort and increase the risk of injury. There's also the role of muscle loss. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, and this reduces the support around our joints.
Less support means more strain on the joints, leading to pain and stiffness. And let's not forget physical inactivity. When you're in pain, it's natural to move less. But less movement can actually make the stiffness worse. Now that we understand the causes, let's focus on what you can do to relieve joint pain and improve your overall mobility. Number 1, keep your body moving. Regular movement is one of the most effective ways to reduce joint pain. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, or yoga can improve flexibility, strengthen muscles, and reduce stiffness. The key is consistency, not intensity. Even 20 to 30 minutes of light movement each day can make a big difference over time. Number 2, strengthen your muscles. Strong muscles provide better support for your joints. Incorporating light strength training into your routine can help reduce strain on your joints and improve overall stability. You don't need heavy weights. Simple resistance exercises at home can be enough. Number 3, maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight puts additional pressure on your joints, especially your knees and hips. Even a small amount of weight loss can significantly reduce joint pain and improve mobility. Number 4, focus on an anti-inflammatory diet. Certain foods can help reduce inflammation in your body. Include foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and fruits in your diet. At the same time, try to reduce processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, as they can increase inflammation. Number 5, stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in keeping your joints lubricated. Dehydration can make joint stiffness worse, so it's important to drink enough water throughout the day. Number 6, support your bone health. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for maintaining strong bones. Make sure you're getting enough through your diet or supplements if needed. Sunlight exposure can also help your body produce vitamin D naturally. Number 7, improve your posture. Poor posture can put extra strain on your joints and muscles. Being mindful of how you sit, stand, and move can help reduce unnecessary pressure on your body. Number 8, use heat and cold therapy. Applying heat can help relax muscles and improve blood flow, while cold therapy can reduce inflammation and numb pain.
Using both methods at the right time can provide quick relief. Number 9, get enough rest, but not too much. Rest is important, especially when you're in pain. But too much rest can lead to stiffness and make the problem worse. Finding the right balance between rest and movement is key. Number 10, listen to your body. Everyone's experience with menopause is different. Pay attention to what works for you and adjust your routine accordingly. If your pain feels severe or persistent, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. It's also important to shift your mindset. Instead of seeing joint pain as something you have to live with, see it as a signal from your body that needs attention and care.
With the right approach, you can reduce pain, improve mobility, and continue living an active and fulfilling life. Menopause may bring changes, but it doesn't mean giving up your strength or independence. You can still feel strong, flexible, and in control of your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm for more simple and practical menopause tips. And tell me in the comments, where do you feel joint pain the most? You're not alone in this journey.